Welcome to this beautiful Plant City pool home in one of the most desired neighborhoods. As you enter this well-cared-for home, you will notice the soaring high ceilings and open floor plan with a wonderful fireplace to enjoy during gatherings. The kitchen offers a nice eat-in space with new cabinets. The great-sized master bedroom offers a sliding glass door to the swimming pool. The master bathroom walk-in with a great-sized closet and a shower. The other two rooms can be found at the front of the home. One can be used as a den or an office. The natural light in this beautiful home is endless. Skylights are in almost every space. You will also be comforted to know that the roof is just 7-year-old. HVAC also 7 years old. Garage has been converted into a large third heated bedroom/media room. It could also be used as a bonus room or be easily converted back into a 2-car garage. Garage door is still there. You can move right in and enjoy this impeccably beautiful home. As you walk out to the backyard, you are greeted with nice green area, mature trees to provide shade, and to have those fun barbecue gatherings. Walden Oaks is close to restaurants, stores, downtown Plant City, historic Plant City, the highway, and is in a great school district. Hurry and come see this fabulous home and make it yours.